welcome to Herbal Wellness. Are you always tired or out of breath after one flight of stairs? It's likely because of your low hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen to your brain and muscles. Before you reach for those synthetic iron pills that can upset your stomach, nature has a better way to easily restore oxygen and energy to your blood cells. Today, we're looking at 5 common herbs scientifically proven to rebuild your blood cells and fast. First is Moringa. It's nature's ultimate blood builder. It contains more iron than red meat, but it also has the vitamin C built in. Without vitamin C, your body can't absorb plant-based iron. Moringa gives you both the fuel and the key to use it. Next, we have spinach. It's not just about iron. Spinach is a powerhouse of folate. You can't actually build a new red blood cell without folate. It's the blueprint for cell division. Spinach ensures your blood cells are the right size and shape to carry oxygen efficiently. Herb number 3 is beetroot. Beets contain nitrates that dilate your blood vessels, improving flow. They also contain betalains, antioxidants that protect your red blood cells, so they live longer in your system. Fourth is dandelion. This isn't just a weed, it's a liver tonic. Your liver is your body's iron warehouse. By supporting liver health, dandelion helps your body manage and recycle iron stores more effectively, and also preventing bottlenecks in blood production. Finally, parsley. Most people treat it as a garnish, but it's a mineral-dense concentrator. It is packed with chlorophyll, which has a molecular structure almost identical to human hemoglobin. Consuming parsley provides the literal building blocks your body needs to construct new blood cells quickly. So, there you have them. Moringa for absorption, spinach for cell growth, beets for circulation, dandelion for storage, and parsley for the building blocks. But there is one common superfruit that increases iron absorption by 67% when eaten with your meals. I'm revealing that booster in my next video. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Kindly like this video, let's have your comment, and subscribe to this channel for more of these herbal wellness content. Thank you.